Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn statistics formulas effectively. First, focus on understanding the underlying concepts rather than just memorizing. This foundational knowledge makes formulas intuitive. Next, categorize formulas by topic, like measures of central tendency or dispersion, to see how they relate. Finally, consistent practice is key to solidifying your understanding and recall. To truly learn, start by defining each statistical term. What does mean actually represent? How does standard deviation quantify spread? Visualizing data helps immensely. Imagine a bell curve for normal distribution. Linking formulas to practical scenarios, like calculating average test scores or analyzing survey results, makes them much more meaningful and easier to remember. Effective memorization involves active techniques. Try creating flashcards with the formula on one side and its name and application on the other. For longer formulas, develop mnemonic devices or acronyms to recall the steps. Consistent, spaced repetition is crucial. Review formulas daily for a short period rather than cramming, which significantly improves long-term retention. The final and most critical step is practice. Solve numerous problems, starting with basic applications and moving to more complex scenarios. Utilize textbook examples and past exam questions to simulate real tests. A powerful technique is to explain a formula to a friend or even to yourself. Teaching solidifies your own understanding and highlights any gaps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.